Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. These red and green lines are from the video I did on it yesterday. And, the chart is okay, but this is where kind of the tricky part of doing the analysis comes from a presentation standpoint, because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought up, today when the price was gapping up, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about a big picture of things, then I get it. Yeah, the price pulled back. But from the big picture, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over time, then the overall, the overall chart is still in the bull's favor. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different outlook and more so a day trader type strategy going in. And the case in point to really kind of illustrate all this has everything to do with the purple line right there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. So let's just say that the price just continues to hold above there going forward. So that represents the purple line as time goes by. It's a moving average, so that line will continue to draw itself. But let's say that continues to be what occurs. I mean, the price just continues to flirt around that area. And then, actually, let's mix things up. Let's say it actually comes down here to 21 cents, which is that level I talked about yesterday, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Again, from the big picture perspective, what would you have? So emphasis on big picture. From the big picture, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. And then if you picture these as stair steps, you'd have big picture stair steps progressing in the upward direction. Again, I 100% realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes after buying, that, this doesn't apply to you. But that's why I try to offer up the warning that I would be making these comments from somebody that cares about more so the broad scope of things. So yes, today the price did pull back from its highs, but think about that word, today. When you look at multiple days, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher low, and that's what you want to see happen going forward. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.